Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to cancel a Shopify subscription. First of all, log into your Shopify account and select the store you want to close. Once you get into your account, click on your name at the top right of the screen and select Manage Account. On the left side of the screen, click on Security Settings. Ensure you are logged out of all devices and turn off any authentication methods for security reasons. Delete any login services you used in the past for added security. Then return to the main page and click on Settings in the bottom left corner. From the Settings menu, go to the Plan section. Before closing the store, uninstall any paid apps connected to Shopify to prevent additional charges after closure. Click on Deactivate Store. In the pop-up menu, choose the third option, Deactivate Store. Then provide a reason for deactivating your store or select Other Reason. Then click Continue. Now, a confirmation window will appear, informing you that after deactivation, you won't have access to sales data, reports, or product and customer information. If you are sure, click Deactivate to close your Shopify store. Your store is now deactivated, and Shopify will store your information for 2 years. If you ever decide to re-enter the e-commerce world, you can reactivate your store by subscribing again. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.